Today, I'm diving into a tool that's perfect for TikTok creators, social media managers, or anyone running automations online. IPcook Residential Proxy. I'll show you exactly how to set it up, test it with a TikTok account, and why it's one of the most safest and fastest proxies out there. Plus, I've got a discount code for IPcook Residential Proxies. You're going to see the code right here. You want to put that in when you're buying it. Check the link in the description for a specific link that will take you to IPcook Residential Proxies and use the discount code and get yours. Let's get started. So what is IPcook? It's a residential proxy provider offering real IPs from home users worldwide. And why is this important for TikTok specifically? Because residential proxies are much safer for social media. TikTok is less likely to detect your activity as suspicious compared to data center proxies. With IPcook, you get a fast, reliable, and affordable proxy that lets you manage multiple accounts and also helps you access geo-restricted content online or run automation tools safely. Getting started with IPcook is straightforward. I registered an account using my referral link in the description. You can also click on that link and then sign up to IPcook. Once you are logged in, this dashboard gives a clear overview of your proxies, usage stats, and then API access. For TikTok specifically, this dashboard is great because you can assign a unique IP per account and track which IPs are active currently, reducing the risk of bans or account flags. Alright, so this is the dashboard for IPcook, and right here you can see that I have $5 of the balance remaining. You can use credit card to add balance. Now let me click on buy proxy, and these are the offers. I'm going to go for the basic plan, and this is what you get for the basic plan. You can then read through. I'm going to click on buy, and right here you can select start free trial if you're using a Visa card. I'm going to add the promo code IPRE10 and click on apply, and you can see I get 10% off. I'm going to select balance and continue to pay. Now I've purchased the residential proxy, and right here I'm then going to set up the proxy. But before we do that, we need to add a sub account. Sub accounts are for managing multiple projects, separating TikTok accounts, team and client access, and tracking usage clearly. Without a sub account, all proxies are missed and hard to know which TikTok account used what IP address. Harder to stop one account if there is an issue. You can set up a username and a password here, and you can set the amount of traffic you want to use right here. And right here, you can add a remark. You can simply click on save to save this, and after you're done saving, you can set up a residential proxy right here. In this case, I'm going to select United States, and then I'm going to select a city or a state, right? So we can select, let's say, click the city, and then look for New York right here. I'm then going to select New York and then look for Boston right here. I'm then going to select Shots 5, which is best for TikTok, and the rotation is sticky IP. Then I'm going to set 24 hours as the rotation duration right here. Okay, so 24 hours. From here, I'm then going to leave the proxy host name and the proxy port the same way. Okay, so the sub account is being added, and right here, these are the proxy passwords and the proxy name. So what we need to do right here is to simply click on generate to generate a host, port, user, and pass. You can input this into Potato or Shadow Rocket, and it's going to work accurately. So I'm going to test it out to see how it's working. You cannot reliably keep the exact same residential IP forever or beyond the provider's sticky session limit, which is 24 hours, but this does not mean you can't use residential proxies safely on TikTok. I've left a guide on how to rotate the IPs after each 24 hours so that you can avoid getting banned on TikTok. You can use this for the same account or multiple accounts. Now let's dive into performance testing. I ran tests with TikTok accounts, and here's what I found. High anonymity. All IPs come from real residential users, and anonymity is verified on who.net or ipinfo.io. Alright, so we're going to add the residential proxy from IPcook to an app called Potato. So I am going to click on the Potato app, and here you can add the service. So I've already added the proxy we got from IPcook. So you can see I named it L, and I'm going to click on it under service, hold it, and then click on edit. You can see that the type is SOX 5, which is very good for TikTok, and I have the host and the port. From here, I set a name to be L, and then the authentication method is password. So I type in my username that IPcook gave me, and then I type in my password as well. So that is how you can connect your proxy with Potato app, and then from there you can start using it. So I'm going to click on connect right here. So on my browser, I'm going to search for hua.net to test for the anonymity of the residential proxy we got from IPcook. And then I searched in hua.net, and you can see that this is my IP address, and you can see it's from ISP's Verizon Fios. It's in the United States, and this is a connection. My device is 90%, which is very good, and everything is on point. It isn't, this IP address is not blacklisted, and everything works so good as at now. You can see that anonymity right here is green, which means TikTok can't even detect that I'm using a different IP address from IPcook. And that is how it works, guys. TikTok sees these as legitimate home users. The next thing I found is sticky sections. It keeps a single IP for up to 24 hours, perfect for accounts that needs consistent sessions. Let's talk about multi-purpose support. Works with HTTP and SOX 5, compatible with automation tools. Speed and concurrency. Average response time under 0.5 seconds globally, and support over 500 threads per account. Scalable up to 100,000 connections. For TikTok creators, this means fast video uploads, reliable browsing, and smooth automation without account issues. IPcook also offers over 55 million IPs across 155 plus locations, so you can target specific countries or cities, ideal for testing trends, ads, or managing region-specific content on TikTok. And the best part, pricing. Data starts at $0.5 per gigabyte, no hidden fees, and the data never expires. You can only pay for what you use, which is perfect if you are testing multiple TikTok accounts or running small-scale automations. So after testing IPcook on TikTok, here's my take on the website. It consists of a real residential IP at high speed with low latency. Sticky sections for stable accounts, large global IP pool with location targeting, affordable pricing with no hidden fees. And let's talk about the cons. Learning curve for absolute beginners in proxies, but manageable. Overall, if you're serious about TikTok automation and managing multiple accounts, IPcook is safe and it's a reliable choice. If you want to manage multiple TikTok accounts safely, run automation, or just need a reliable residential proxy, IPcook is worth checking out. Use my discount code right here and sign up via my referral link in the description. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tools reviews like this.